How to log out of Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can log out of Facebook, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you would like to log out of Facebook, go ahead and launch the Facebook application here, and once you launch the Facebook app, you can see I'm logged into my account. So to log out, I just need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap the three lines option from the top right, just scroll down a bit to the bottom, you'll find the option called Logout. So tap on Logout. You can also save your account details if you like. Tap the Logout option and you'll be successfully logged out of Facebook. Now if you want to log in back again, you can just tap the login option in order to do so respectively. And that's all it takes to log out of Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.